Here are 5 Chrome extensions that can genuinely elevate your day-to-day browsing experience. All the 5 extensions I'm going to show in this video are free. If you find this video useful, leave a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm understand that this content is worth showing to others. Let's begin. In case you didn't know, Chrome extensions are small add-ons that enhance your browser by adding extra features. To install extensions, click the 3-dot menu in Chrome, go to Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store and install what you need. This is easily my favorite one. Not every website supports dark mode, and reading bright white pages for long periods can be hard on the eyes. Dark Reader extension force enables dark mode on any website. Let me show you. This site doesn't have a built-in dark mode. The moment I click on the extension, it instantly converts the entire page into a dark theme. Text becomes easier to read, contrast is well balanced, and it feels much more comfortable, especially at night. The best part is that this works on any website, not just articles. You can also fine-tune brightness, contrast, and colors if you want. We come across links all the time, and many of them turn out to be clickbait, ads, or just not worth opening. With this extension called Link Previewer, you can preview a web page without actually clicking the link. Just hover your cursor over the link, and a live preview of the page pops up. What's really useful is that you can scroll through the whole content inside the preview itself, so you can quickly decide whether the page is worth your time without opening new tabs or worrying about misleading links. When you don't need it, just click on the extension and disable it with one click. How many times have you copied a word, opened a new tab, and searched for its meaning? With Google Dictionary extension, you don't need to do that anymore. Just double-click on any word, and its meaning appears instantly in a small pop-up. It's fast, accurate, and very useful when you are reading books, articles, documents, or long-form content. Many websites are overloaded with ads, pop-ups, banners, and unnecessary distractions. This extension called Clearly strips all of that away and turns any article into a clean, distraction-free reading view. It focuses only on the text and images that matter. Another useful feature is the export option. You can click the scissors icon and save the article as a PDF, which is great if you want to read it later or archive it. Sometimes you need a screenshot of an entire web page, not just what's visible on the screen. Go Full Page extension does exactly that. With one click, it automatically scrolls through the page and captures everything from top to bottom. Once done, you can download the screenshot as an image or export it as a PDF. It's extremely handy for documentation, tutorials, or saving web pages for reference. All the extensions I mentioned are linked in the description below. If you're looking to improve your everyday browsing experience, you can definitely give these a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.